Hello, welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing haul, and I'll start with old stuff that I haven't got around to opening. So I got this the other day in the mail, and it's like it says it's a heat conducting plate or something like that. And what you do is you put this on the burner, and you put another heating like a pot or something on it, and here it is, and it's supposed to warm everything evenly. So this is the plate. This is cute. And so I guess I have to unscrew this stuff and then replace it. I'm not mad. If it works, you know, I'm all for good food. I like cooking. I went in and put a butter knife to it, and this is how it comes out. Just so cute. Here's my shoes. I haven't opened it, and I got them like for a week ago. And so let's just pull the tab and see what happens. Here we go. Another box from Shoeland. And this is so cute. I love the color. Tear open the sides. And here's similar to the other pair that I had. They were like Python rainbow. And this is so cute. It has like little gold, and this cable is so, I love it. It's adorable. It's sling back. You can see, and then you just wrap them. You can wrap them low to the ankle, or wrap them up to the knee, or up to the mid calf, however you want. So I got them in size 7 because like I haven't worn like heels like this since I was a kid, you know, when they were in style. It was like the 90s. Look at this. I'm not sure if I have looked at these before. I just want to get them both out today and get a good view of this. And I bought them because like some activities on my camera you need all this light for. So here they are, both of them. They look like they work. That's what they look like. And it's cute. See, I'm not sure if I'm gonna need this because what I do right now doesn't require all those settings on my camera. I even went and got a camera, but like I got a MacBook Pro and all those other things that big YouTubers use. And see, I have a small channel, so it's not like I really need those in here. I think this stuff was more like for a bigger, like a network or something, because I can't really utilize these things really. I got this light. See this light? I got this the other day too. Speaking of upgrades, I got this light. I got those 2 lights. I have this, and basically I'm just bare bones right now because like those are too high tech. If you want to help grow the channel, you can share, comment, like, anything helps. So here we are. And I bought like $200. I bought like $200 worth of shorts. I know you're thinking, wow, why would you buy much worth of shorts? Well, I didn't pay that much. I paid about maybe $40, maybe $35. But I'm not lying when I tell you these. I went on a shopping spree. See, these were $25. I paid less than $10 for these. Like, here's this. These are Puma. These were the most priced ones. These cost like $10. It says Ann Cole. So these are either small or extra small. These are size extra small. You can see they're like the same. Puma's a little bit bigger. Can you see? So like it depends what brand you use, but these are size small. They're pretty thick. I bought this brand before. And I liked it. So these are like comfortable shorts. Like they're like terry cloth shorts. I'm getting another pair from that haul. I'm getting another pair tomorrow. Those were like $80. I only paid, like I said, I paid less than $10 for all of these. In total was about $35. So these are size small. These are size small. And they're nice and comfy. They have zippers, hardy zippers. Front, one in the back. See, they have two in the front. And it's pretty plain, pretty basic, real cute because they do have those utility zips, and I really like it. They're drawstring, so you can wear them at home. These are $25, but I didn't pay that much, and they are Adidas, as you can see. Say Arrow Ready in the back. And size extra small. So these are nice shorts for running. They're short length, so nice shorts to wear. There's the logo. Total of these right here are $50. So I'd say just with those two, I made my money back because they were $200. These are like worth $75, $80. The ones I'm getting tomorrow were worth like $90. And so that's like $200. And plus these were like $50. So together, I'd say it's about almost $300 worth of shorts. But here today, I'd say this was like almost $200 worth of shorts, and it's 4 shorts. But since I got them for less than 10 each, I think I really made a good deal. Because I didn't even pay that much percent of what I would normally pay in the store, which would be $300 with taxes and all, for all 5 of what I ordered. So I think that's a pretty good buy. As you know, I've been doing my upgrades, and since this is where I live, I decided to just match everything. So I'm gonna hang these up in my closet area, which I also made into a studio, like a recording studio. So I just sing over there and record over there. And I decided just to hang this. That way I can hide my closet area. So today I got food too. And I got this to help when the summer does come. I got this, it's like a film. And it covers the window. And it's supposed to keep the heat out. And keep the UV out. Well, it's supposed to keep the sunlight really from gleaming into the room, which I do get, which I like because like I don't really need to turn the lights on that much. So I got some ranch taco sauce. These are my groceries. These, I got Laredo chili with beans. And my snack pack habit. I have a snack pack habit now. I love these because they're quick to, like when I want something real fast. And I got this onion soup mix. I just started craving it. Like whenever people upload onion soup ideas. And I got this. It says Instant Firmex Face Tightener. Right here. Oh, it's kind of sticky. They said to blow on it a little bit. Oh, and it, do you see that? It dried right up. I think it looks real nice. Like it makes my skin color pop a lot. Like I can see myself just wearing that without anything on it. I got these things the other day. Some soap. That soap was the last thing I got from that box. I'll show it to you. It's just a natural hand soap. It's got essential oils, glycerin, aloe, olive oil. See, I buy these because like they're soft on my hands, and when I need like something nice, and I like to use natural things, not like harshly perfumed things, because like then it lingers and it's like, I don't know, it's just the way I am. Like I haven't found a perfumed soap that I'm really into yet, you know, for daily use, except for the essential oil type. So here I have Cracked Skin Relief. It's by Gold Balm. Let's see if it works. Can you see? It feels exactly like Vaseline. Let's see. Ooh, that looks lovely. I like to put stuff under my makeup, that way it doesn't mess up. So I was looking for things, and these are the type of things that I'm using right now. So it has 0 scent, which is nice. Like I said, I don't really like perfume things. I'm like one of those guys that like you have to have 1 scent on, and I'm real stern about that. And I guess you can call me a stickler for it, but here's the Instant from XI, and I use this. I don't know if I showed you this before, but I do use this. I use this anytime I feel like I need it. You don't need a lot, I think. Just ooh, that looks so good compared. It looks so good compared to the other hand. See this hand? And this is the, yeah, I like it. This is the face peel. This is the face peel also by Peter Thomas Roth. It's also from X product. So I'm just trying them out. And I'll do the other hand. Let's see the directions because I didn't read them. It says, peeling gel visibly rolls, lifts, and sweeps away impurities. Apply a generous amount to clean, dry skin. Massage in circular motion. It'll visibly exfoliate. Rinse well with water. It says you can leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes and use 1 to 3 times a week. So, oh, it's like the other one. Can you see all the impurities lifting? This is good too, like the other one I had. Can you see all the little impurities? All these little impurities are so gross and nasty, but that's why you buy these products, to keep up with your hygiene routine. Just small steps each week, I guess. These are more groceries. I got diced tomatoes, red kidney beans. I got corn because corn goes with everything. And I got another taco kit. Comes with 10 tortillas. Just basic stuff. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.